Hey guys, this is App Reviewer. Today we'll be taking a look at the Ultra Optics from SGP for the Samsung Galaxy S2. I'd like to thank the guys over there for sending out for reviewing purposes. And I would like to thank you guys who stuck by me during my Nexus S reviews. I am now moving on to the Galaxy S2 just because it is a new phone, it has a new market for cases and products, and I really do want to move on to something new instead of sticking with the old. So onto the Galaxy S2 we go, and we're going to start it off with the Ultra Optics from SGP. Now, like I said, this retails for $15.99, so it is a little bit expensive when you think about screen shields, but I do think these are the highest quality screen shields, and I use these on all my devices, which is my iPad, my iPhone 4, my Nexus S, and now the Galaxy S. So, within the packaging you get some dust removal stickers. What these do is these allow you to lift up the screen shield and remove any dust from underneath the screen. You get a squeegee right here, which you use to work out the bubbles. You get two screen shields, which is always great. Same screen shield, Ultra Optics. And you get a microfiber cloth to clean off the screen. So the reason I picked the Ultra Optics is because it does the best of both worlds, which basically it shows off the maximum clarity on the display while also having anti-fingerprint properties. So I'll show you my Nexus S and also apply this onto the Samsung Galaxy S2 so you can see. Now, installation on this should be super simple. I am used to it, so I'll do it on camera for you guys. So let's take out the screen shield we have right here. So I did do a pretty good job on the install. As you can see, it was very easy to install. You can barely see it on the phone. Now, like I said before, this does hold up the two best properties that you want on your device, which is basically it doesn't show much fingerprints. As you can see, here's my Nexus, and I've had the Ultra Optics on for about 3 months now. As you can see, it barely shows any fingerprints, but at the same time it does retain the clarity of the display. So that's why I chose it, just because it does seem to show off that Super AMOLED Plus display almost perfectly. There's barely any deterioration of the clarity or vibrancy of the screen, but at the same time you do get some screen protection. And as you can see, if I rub my fingers all against here, it won't show any fingerprints at all, which is always great. So I do love this screen shield. It's not really a review because I already had it on my Nexus S, but I definitely recommend the product. As you can see, it is super easy to install. You get two in a pack. And really there's no major issue except for the fact that once you rub your finger against the screen you can hear a slight squeak. Let me see if I can... You might be able to hear that. There's a slight squeak sound when you rub your finger against it, but it's nothing major and you do get used to it. So overall, guys, this product is a 10 out of 10. Like I said, I've had it on my Nexus for about 3 months now and I do love it. $15.99 on the SGP website, sgpstore.com. They also have some other screen shields such as Ultra Crystal, Ultra Oleophobic, and anti-fingerprint. So remember to check those guys out, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video. And I do have a lot more content coming up on the Samsung Galaxy S, which includes cases and more screen shields and also full protection kits. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more. Cheers.